Welcome to the next generation of industrial and automotive component cleaning. Introducing S-Clean. Why choose S-Clean? A cutting-edge system designed to remove oil, metal shavings, oxidation, and dust with unmatched efficiency and precision. Our advanced 4-step cleaning process ensures a thorough and reliable cleaning, preparing components for further manufacturing. Step 1: Ultrasonic post-cleaning and air agitation. We start with air agitation and enhanced with ultrasonic pre-cleaning. This combination loosens and lifts contamination from the surface, ensuring deep cleaning. To maintain optimal cleanliness, the contaminated liquid undergoes a 2-step filtration. Partial skimming removes the floating slurry after the ultrasonic cleaning. The floating slurry is moved to the storage tank where in the first shelf the oil is removed with help of oil skimmer and plain liquid is passed to the sedimentation shelf, where the heavier contamination is been settled and plain liquid is overflown in the third shelf, and through there it's been pumped and filtered through the filter elements housed in the filter unit and passed back to the main chamber. The purified liquid is then recirculated for continuous operation. Step 2: Ultrasonic cleaning and air agitation. For an even deeper clean, the components undergo ultrasonic post-cleaning. Air agitation further enhances the process, ensuring that all remaining contaminants are fully removed. Once again, our advanced filtration system eliminates impurities, maintaining peak efficiency throughout the cycle. Step 3: High-pressure hot water jet spray. Next, the cleaned components move to the high-pressure hot water jet spray system. Here, deionized hot water is sprayed at high velocity, residual chemicals and contamination. After completing the rinse cycle, compressed air is flushed through the same nozzles, removing excess water and preparing the components for drying. As an added benefit, the water used in this process undergoes purification, ensuring that dust and unwanted particles are removed before being sprayed on the components. This guarantees a cleaner, more efficient operation. Step 4: Hot air centrifugal drying. The final step is the drying process. A centrifugal blower circulates heated air throughout the chamber. Ensuring fast and efficient drying, leaving components ready for further production. This entire system is seamlessly controlled by a PLC and HMI interface, offering a user-friendly, automated experience. With audio-visual alarms and pneumatic safety doors, human intervention is minimized, making this system both safe and highly efficient. With S-Clean, industries can achieve superior cleanliness, precision, and productivity. Our technology ensures that every component meets the highest quality standards. Thank you for choosing S-Clean, where technology meets excellence.